Welcome back to the Monthly Market Minute, where we take a minute to talk about the Montreal real estate market, its stats and trends. First, I just wanted to check in with everybody to make sure that you're doing okay after the long weekend with our ice storm, power failures, tree damage. I hope everybody's home is okay. You didn't get a wet basement or a tree fall on your roof. And if you did, feel free to give me a call. No, I can't help you with the repairs, but I can refer you to professionals who may be able to help you through it. So feel free to get in touch. I do know a lot of people that can help. Electrician, arborists, plumbers, contractors, whatever it is. So let's talk about the Montreal real estate market, what happened on the island of Montreal for the month of March 2023. Overall, we saw sales down by 27% for a total of 370. Your active listings are also up 79% for active listings at 2,001 total, and your median price is holding steady at 702,500, and that's down 7% from this time last year. And average days on market are averaging at 60 days on market. So what does this all mean for buyers and sellers operating inside the real estate market? Well, essentially, we're seeing consistency again for buyers. The federal government had the opportunity to raise interest rates again recently and chose not to as inflation continues to drop. This is all very good news. Mortgages are higher than traditionally we've seen over the past 4 years, but those mortgage rates are now consistent. Buyers know what they can afford and are spending accordingly. So how does this affect sellers? Well, sellers do have to adjust their pricing from what they've been doing for the past 2 years, where essentially you just put your property on the market and get multiple offers and sell for more than you're asking for. What we're seeing right now is sellers have to be more realistic on their pricing, and real estate brokers being more skilled in the market and having the knowledge to be able to find the right price that gets the property sold. And also what sellers can take into consideration is that regardless of the market, a good looking house in a good neighborhood, well maintained, and that shows well, will always do well in whatever real estate market. So you just have to make sure that you're also positioned inside the market properly. Of course, if you have any questions about this subject, feel free to get in touch. Always happy to talk.